Alright guys, we're going to the modded Detroit car meet. Supposed to be their season opener. Pulling up in the Mustang. Finally got her back, the brand new trans. So we're gonna see how this goes. It's supposed to be a pretty crazy turnout, but again, we'll see. Sorry about that. I'm using just holding the camera right now. But yeah, we'll see how all this goes, and I'll catch you guys when we get to the meet. Peace.
Alright guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is my car.
I'm not gonna rev it.
Yep. I don't know what size the turbo is, just got to put on. Stock motor. Just rebuilt trans.
Starting
She's here. Alright, this is the real owner of the car right here.
Hi guys.
You better post this. I want to see myself on it. Make it like your intro or something. Yeah.
You got the new brand new shirt.
Brand new, $25. Oh, that was $4. God damn it.
$24?
$25. $25.
25.
My hoodie was fucking.
Alright, we can walk around a little bit.
He's gonna open up a little bit. He's just gonna be Christian's mouth in the camera.
Get that on my fucking forehead. Oh, the Subies.
Yo.
Hey, yo.
I bet you it's cold start right
How ugly Subaru is that?
Bet you what?
Hey, somebody else got it.
You guys figure it out?
Damn, bro. This thing is fucked up.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's cold started.
He's gonna text you later. Please crop that out of the video.
For real.
2 minutes in, let's cut that out. Watch it not pop.
I was like, tell them no.
Huh?
There's a cop that just drove by.
You don't care.
Yeah, this motherfucker says he gets pulled over like once a week.
Oh yeah.
We've been pulled over twice in like a week or two.
Hold up.
No ticket though.
My splitter's coming off again.
Damn.
We're good. That was cool.
I hear
Alright,
it's
everybody.
black like this. You're like two tapping so you see it.
Alright, everybody in the comments, we're gonna try to talk Sean in to get an M4.
M4?
An
Hell no.
M4.
Hell no. That's a downgrade. If I want to upgrade, I need to go to like, I don't even know what I'll get for a BMW for an upgrade. Like an M8 or some shit.
Yeah. Oh, there he is. I was like, where's it?
If I got a BMW, it'd probably just be the S1000 RR.
With the bike?
Yeah. That's like the only BMW I'd want.
Oh, see, like, oh my god, this thing is sexy.
This almost looks like yours.
Yeah.
Yours has the same.
Yeah, this is carbon fiber.
This side's good.
I think your paint's darker, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yours looks a little bit darker.
Yeah.
Do you have OEM? Oh yeah, idiot. My bad. Do you have stock rims? No, that's what I thought.
Well, I do at home, but they're not in my car right now.
That's what I thought. You see the front? The dent on the front? Where you see the dent on the
You want to go see Lily and Jack's car?
Yeah. Maybe I shoot a flame for me. I don't know, the cops are like roaming this area now. Yeah, this thing extends so far. I'm trying to figure it out. There it goes.
There you go. It's like one of those police batons.
Gonna track hog with a GoPro.
Really? Hey.
Your GoPro's bigger.
Bro. Mine's more expensive.
That's not a track hog.
Yeah, that's the L1. Parking job.
I know, why don't you go? You should go over your car. Just go over what's done to it.
What's up with that? Oh, good. What's done to it?
Yeah, just go over some of the stuff.
has single turbo,
Big turbo.
carbon fiber.
There you go.
I don't know, fuel regulators and shit.
Too bad he bought it like this.
Yeah.
Doesn't know what's done to it.
Ball not built. It's still faster than your mother. Forgot about my water. I'm almost getting like a drone here. Oh yeah.
They're DMV approved.
Can you change them on your phone?
Yep. You can literally just do it. You can type it in.
Hey. Did you fix your feet?
Fight! I want on the GoPro.
I left it in your car.
Alright.
Yeah, that's what he sold it to
I
me
wouldn't.
because he wanted to.
These cops are roaming.
Yeah, I know. That's because last year they were doing burnouts everywhere.
Like in here?
Yeah, in between cars.
That's sketchy.
So I bought it from him.
They were flinging rocks and shit.
The disc just got out. It was overheating like crazy. So we put it down.
What?
Should have asked me if he wanted a shout out.
You got Instagram?
For real. Alright, I gotta put this water down. This shit's all like wet and like leaking and shit. Oh, it's not recording? Yeah, it is. Yeah. The screen goes black if you're about to save the battery. Whose piece of shit is this?
Everybody pull their keys out. Everybody pull their keys out. Whoever has. That's how you, Sean.
There's those videos where it's like Supra. There's a Supra over there. Get it.
Oh, he's about to do it. With the water bottle right there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna close this.
It's not warmed up yet, is it? When it is.
Can I two-step it when it's warm? Look, let me fix the camera. All right, buddy. This is your time to bring the whole crowd over here. Yep, here they come. Here they come.
Next video is going to be on a full walk around video of the Mustang to show you guys what's all done to it. And just everything like that, you know, just an overall walk around video of the Mustang. That'll be for the next video, so if you guys want to see that, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.